My name is Dr. Tread Rissacker, and this is how to use your mind for physical health. Every day, create a new concept, a new mental picture of yourself. See yourself as a vital, healthy, alive, and active. Say to yourself, it doesn't matter in the least what I have had, what I have experienced in the past. Health is mine right now. I feel it pulsating through me with every indrawn breath. Every organ, every tissue, every function of my body is charged with radiant health, vitality, and power. I know that life is now operating through the creative mind within me, rebuilding every tissue that needs rebuilding, removing every obstruction, mental or physical, to my perfect health. Every thought of mine that denies perfect health is eliminated right now. I let go of every sense of fear and anxiety. I relax completely and I let life operate through my body unhampered, fully and freely. Today, I am completely relaxed. Life circulates normally and naturally through every tissue of my body. Every cell is alive and tingling with perfect health. I am grateful for my health. The infinite mind within me knows how to take food from the outside of my body and through a mysterious process of digestion and assimilation builds that food into living tissues within my body. Intelligent life within me combines food, air, sunlight, and water and builds a perfect body for me. The supreme intelligence, which is that intelligent power in every atom and in every cell of my body, keeps my lungs operating in perfect harmony. I know it, I trust it, and I believe in it. I bless it and I thank it for serving me so intelligently and efficiently. Life right now is cleansing, purifying, and revitalizing every part of me. I am strong. I am well. I know there is nothing impossible to life. And I am life. I depend upon life. I trust it. The healing power of life heals, strengthens, and perfects my body. Right now, I accept this. Perfect life is now operates through my eyes. I see the beauty of life everywhere. Without effort, my vision is perfect. I see clearly and perfectly. My ears hear only what is good. I hear easily and perfectly without any sense of strain. My hearing is keen and clear. Every organ of my body functions perfectly. I love my body. I have faith in my body. I trust it, every part of it. I think only good thoughts about my body and about other people and about every situation. I hear only that which is good. I see only that which is good. And I speak only that which is good. I endeavor to do only that which is good. I speak with wisdom, love, and understanding in a completely relaxed way without tension or strain. I do whatever I need to do, whatever I should do, easily and confidently. I am always conscious of infinite life expressing through me. I rest in quiet confidence. I sleep quietly and peacefully, knowing that infinite life, with its abundant goodness, continuously operates through my thoughts, through my body, and out into all my affairs. I am strong. I am well. I am confident, relaxed, and at peace. I am healthy and have abundant life right now.